Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can recover your account without using your email address or your phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page. From the home page, in order to go into your account settings, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. You will then be taken into your profile. From your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and you will be taken into the settings menu. Now, within your settings menu, if you have your phone number or your email address verified, then they can be used to reset your password if you forgot it. Now, if you haven't set up your password already, within the Snapchat application, tap on the password option. You will then be allowed to create a new password if you haven't created a password at all. And you will also be allowed to change your password if you already have one. So type in your desired password or your current password, and then proceed with creating a password for your Snapchat account. After you have created your password, even though you have not added your phone number or your email address, after you log out from the Snapchat application, you will be able to gain access back to your account. However, in case you forgot your password, without your phone number or your email address verified, you will not be able to recover it. So in this case, if you don't want to use either one of those, then the only other option is to use two-factor authentication. If you tap on two-factor authentication, you will be asked to use either Google or any other authentication application to authenticate your login to the Snapchat app. You can tap on the continue button and proceed with adding your Snapchat account to the Authenticator app. Once you do this, you will be able to gain access into your account every time without using your password, your username, and even your email address or your phone number. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on recovering your account without using your phone number or your email address on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.